Hello everyone. Today we will see about MISHTI scheme which was announced during the recent union budget presentation by our union finance minister. The expansion of MISHTI scheme is Mangrove Initiative for Shoreline Habitat and Tangible Income. So this is the expansion of MISHTI. Mishti means sweet meat in Bengali. Actually, we have a mangrove cover of 0.15 percentage of the total Indian geographical area, and this is around 4,975 square kilometers. Okay, so we have only 0.15 percentage of total Indian geographical area of mangrove cover, and we wanted to increase this mangrove cover to more than that. That is why we have, or the finance minister have introduced this scheme. The main aim of the scheme is to protect and conserve the mangrove forest along the coastline. For that, mangrove saplings will be planted along the coastal regions of the country. As you know, we have mangrove forest mainly present in the coastal states. They are Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Among them, West Bengal have about 42% of the total mangrove forest. I told you we have in total have about 0.15% of the total Indian geographical area, and out of which about 42% of the total mangrove forest is present in West Bengal. So first we will have to see what are the advantages of the mangroves, because we are investing more amount of money for the preservation as well as to increase the mangrove forest. So that will be having some positive aspects. Some are, it have some advantage to prevent flooding, and also it will prevent land erosion. As you notice, you can see that these are present along the coastal area and these have high roots. So whenever there is a flooding or land erosion taking place, these grand roots will prevent its land erosion as well as flooding. Okay, and this will act as a buffer for cyclones also. And when high tides are coming out from the sea, it will prevent these tides entering or waves entering into the land area. So it will prevent cyclones which is coming, and it will prevent land erosion, and also it will prevent flooding. So these kind of hazards can be easily prevented by planting mangroves in the coastal area. So this is very important for us. And more than that, these are excellent carbon sinks, which is very important in the present scenario, because we are striving more for increasing our carbon sink. Okay, so in the present climate change time, this improving this will enable us to increase the carbon sink also. More than that, in this mangrove present area, we can see that more fishes are present, because this mangrove forest always enable fishes to increase their population. Okay, so this is also in the biological terms also, this is very important. So these are the main advantages. It will prevent flood, land erosion, and act as a buffer for cyclones, and also excellent carbon sinks. Then if we are looking into the threat against this mangrove forest, they are increasing the salinity. Nowadays the salinity of the water is increasing, and this is acting as a threat for the mangrove forest. Then lack of oxygen, that is also the second point which is threatening the existence of mangrove forest. And third one is the tidal inundations. And more than all these points, one of the important threat is that we are using all this area for our constructive activities, whether it is in the boat jetty formation or shipping yards or for any kind of construction like um, tourism activities. We are using this mangrove mangrove forest area for our own use, and for that we are cutting and removing all this forest area. This is also causing another threat for the damage of the mangrove forest. Okay, so these are the main threat, and also along with this, many man initiated activities are also causing the threat for mangrove forest. Next, let us see how it will be implemented. In the Union Budget presentation, Finance Minister said that it will be implemented by converging CAMPA fund as well as MNERGS and other sources. CAMPA in the sense, you may be knowing that CAMPA is the expansion is Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management and Planning Authority. This is a fund mainly for the afforestation programs. If somebody is cutting and removing a certain amount of forest, then that person have to compensate that amount of forest by planting in some other area. For that there is a certain amount of fund available, so that fund can be utilized for the planting of mangrove saplings. And also they also will be using MGNRGS, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. This we are providing in the rural areas a 100-day employment program. You also will be knowing about this. So these two can be combined for the implementation of this MISHTI scheme. Okay, so these are the information that is available regarding this scheme at present. If we are getting more information regarding this in the later articles or news, we will see about that. So that's all. Thank you.